How you going? Jared here from Sensibility, and I'm just gonna fix this up because I feel like I may be on a lean. I'm doing it. I'm doing an unboxing. I'm doing it from the start. Still in plastic. This is Maahir Black by Lattafa. I did the silver version, which was awesome. It's a citrusy, beautiful citrus for summer, spring, summer. And this one is meant to be very dark, mysterious. So Maahir Black Edition, full unboxing, first time ever on Sensibility. Nice matte box. Quality paper, pretty shit, but details very good. Legit Lattafa hologram sticker back. So slides. So when I had the silver one, it actually had a case that went on the top of this part here, where this one is just completely open. But you can see it still sits nicely. I think the presentation of the silver one was a bit better for me though. Still a very cool bottle. Ooh, lid's just sitting on. Now it's on. Very nice. Maahir Black Edition. I forget what the DNA is in this. Very weighty head. Use that as a chest piece. Let's get a tester strip. Okay. I can't remember what the notes are in this. Let's get some big sprays. Whoa. That's strong. Very strong. Whoa. Incensey, smoky. I don't even need to get my nose close to that. I can smell smoke. It's like someone's lit a fire with incense. Like maybe even you've ever lit a bakur burner? It's almost like you're lighting or heating up incense from a bakur, and it's just smoky resonance of smoke. But then it's just got that nice incense. I don't know if there's some labdanum in there or something resinous as well. Oh, that's nice. It's definitely not for everyone. It's very, very different. It smells very expensive. It smells very unique, very dark, but it's super, super incensey, smoky. It smells like incense burning woods, resinous, dark, nothing really overly sweet. Definitely winter, would never wear this in summer. That's very unique and very cool. I'm glad I got this one. Getting pretty over the same kind of scents and the same kind of smells. But if you want something different, you want something ultra smoky, dark, incense, resinous, Maahir Black Edition by Lattafa. Check it out. Very different. See you next time.